Yeah, very good afternoon to one and all. So I am Falguni Banjara, and I have been summoned to the Business Mint 50th Event Awards under the Rising Star of the Year 2023 Choreographer category. And I'm really grateful and happy and elated to be a part of this event. I would love to thank the Business Mint Awards and Inflow to have me here as one of the nominees and for also having won the award. So what can I say? Hyderabad is like the city that's been so welcoming and warm to me. And I'm so happy I chose Hyderabad to be one of the places that I would work in. Having started my journey as a reality show contestant to choreographing songs in the movies, this journey has been the best of my life, I can say. And my career path was like probably chosen for me. And I'm so happy and thankful and grateful to each and everyone who recognized my talent and who pushed me forward every day, recognized my hard work and talent and pushed me forward to be the best version of myself. And I would love to thank Shekhar Master for having given me the opportunity to prove myself over and over again, and for having so much faith and belief in me. Forever grateful to Shekhar Master for the same. And all I can say is so happy and congratulations to each and everyone who attended the event today. We are all winners here. Thank you.
Namaste and good afternoon, one and all. I am Dr. Kirti Gaud, orthodontist from Dr. Gaud's Dental Hospitals. Today I am extremely privileged, humbled, and very happy to receive this prestigious Business Mint Awards for the Best Orthodontist category of 2023. I am also very happy and thankful for all the patients who have entitled their trust in us to give them a very good and happy smile. And I should also acknowledge all the support and I've been receiving from my family, my mentors, and all my friends and relatives who have given me the immense support, without any of them, this was not possible. And lastly, I would like to say that I would continue to serve in the field of orthodontics and continue to serve all the patients who have their trust on us and give them the best and keep up the legacy of a 50-year-old Dr. Gaud's Dental Hospital started by my father-in-law, Dr. M.S. Gaud. And I'm very happy to receive this award. Thank you.
We have so many people who create things which makes the lives of the people better. And thus, you make it so better, you make it such a corporate. Tell yourself, like what burn like a sun and shine like a sun, what my learned friend has just said, what Abdul Kalam has envisaged Indian companies to be. That by that innovation, because all these companies what I have named, the majority of those employees are Indians. Those companies are not on their own. They are made by the Indians. Indians have that intellect in us. Now you are expressing that intellect, and you are expressing that particular thing in your own innovations in the smallest ways in India. And I'm sorry if at all the Indian infrastructure on behalf of the government is not suiting you to take you to that level. I'm really, but definitely today's Indian infrastructure and the polity or administration of India, as when somebody was saying none of the government officers were here, so sorry. Government today is pretty conducive, pretty much giving an environment to you to excel, and what I was telling hitherto, become that particular corporate. Microsoft was not made overnight. It was not made overnight, it was an innovation of one or two gentlemen. And Indians have much better and greater individuals than that. I have to tell yourself, my dear corporates, wherever you have reached today, don't stop yourself. Again I add, Abdul Kalam here, dream. I have met one of the 10th class students some time back. A girl was there. I love to, like Abdul Kalam, I love to interact with the young minds. I was interacting with her, I just asked her, what do you want to be? An IAS or IPS vagara? No sir, I want to do a business. Acha, business, what kind of a business? A business, today, I want to become a little bigger than Reliance is. I love the girl. So the lady entrepreneurs, so many we are seeing out here, the girl has said this. These minds are coming up in India. My dear corporates, give a way to such minds. Take those minds into you. Who knows? You will be 100 folds or 1000 folds because of that particular mind. So have an encouraging hand to those people, just like our Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Krishnaiah ji said, it's an inclusive growth. Everybody should come into the fold because who knows what anybody has. But give that initial push to everybody without any bias. Kindly do that, because every Indian cell, the brain cells of every Indian, every neuron of Indians has that in them to excel and to make India prosper much better than anybody else. I have a lot more to say, but then I'll stop here by appealing to all of you that wherever you have reached today, wonderful. You have been duly recognized out here. You have achieved something phenomenal, wonderful, but then tell yourself this is only 1% of your potential. This is only 1% of your potential.
Hello everyone, this is your Manara Chopra and please subscribe to City Light E-News.
Hi, this is Raghu Kunche. Please subscribe City Light E-News.
This is Amardeep Chaudhary. Please subscribe to City Lights E-News. Watch it.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, నా పేరు ఊహ. అందరూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి సిటీ లైట్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, this is Adi Pinisetti. Subscribe to City Lights E-News.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను మినికి గల్రాణి. డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను పాయల్ రాజ్పూర్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్.
I am Sandhi Meghna. Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
This is Manas Nagulpalli. Please like, share and subscribe to City Lights E-News.
నేను మీ లహరి షరీఫ్. సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్ మీ ముందుకు వచ్చేసింది. సో బీ రెడీ ఫర్ న్యూ అప్డేట్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hi guys, this is Kajal. Do subscribe to City Light E-News.
నేను మీ సెట్. సో మీ అందరినీ సెట్ చేయడానికి సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్ అని ఎక్సైటింగ్ అప్డేట్స్తో రాబోతుంది. సో డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
నేను మీ విశ్వ. సబ్స్క్రైబ్